If you want to pray but don't know what to say, then I want you to try this. It's really simple, and you can start right now, right where you are, okay? Prayer isn't about fancy church words or sounding super spiritual. It's just talking to God honestly about what's going on in your heart, your thoughts, your fears, your gratitude, all of it, all of it. To make it easy, just use this one simple word. Pray. P-R-A-Y. P for praise. Start with praise, okay? God, you're good. Thank you for taking care of me, giving me life today, and for all the ways you've helped me, even when I didn't notice. Now the next one is R, for repent. Now we have to repent. Be honest about where you've fallen short. Say, God, I'm sorry for where I've messed up today. You know me. You know my attitude, my thoughts, and my actions. Please forgive me, cleanse my heart, and help me to change, Father. Next one is A, ask. You have to ask. Bring your worries and your needs to Him. God hears what I'm worried about right now. Things that are stressing me out and weighing my mind. Please help me. Provide what I need, Father. Give me wisdom. Guide me step by step. Next one is Y. Finally, yield. Surrender your plans to His. Say, God, I trust your plan, even when I don't understand it. I lay down my will, my timing, and my expectations. Your will, not mine, be done. Lead me and give me courage, Father, to follow you. You can pray this anytime you'd like, anywhere, in your room, in your car, as you walk, or even silently in your head when you are in a crowded space. God hears you, whether you whisper, you silent, you speak out loud, or just think the words in your heart. Okay? If you're ready, I want you to pause this video and walk through that pray pattern. P-R-A-Y. Okay? Praise, repent, ask, yield. Take a minute and actually try it. Praise, repent, ask, yield. And if this helped you and you want more simple, practical videos about how walking with God and growing in prayer, then follow for the next one and share this with someone who you think might need it today. I want you to stay blessed, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye-bye.